This is part 4 of 5 in the series Typography, the Grand Design. Part 4 talks about the harmony in typography. Just as in other art forms, harmony is something that can establish hierarchy. Hierarchy is essential in readability, in understanding, and visual communications. In type, we compose with scale to add harmony to our compositions. We can also use different weights within a typeface, so bold or light or italic, to add harmony. So scale, weight are all important, just as we would be working with a different art form. We can also use ligatures to add harmony. So this type of design, so a ligature, aids in readability. So it deals with some of those funky spaces that we have between certain letter forms. So adding a connective tissue between those two letter forms can help us read. Ligatures aid in the flow to help with the harmony of the type. And ligatures are often consistent with the other characteristics within a typeface. So as you see in this swash, the way that the form is created is used to create a ligature between letters. Harmony is an important design concept to remember in the context of typography. So size, weight, contrast of form, composition or direction, contrast of texture, these are all things that are important to the harmony of typography. And this is true at a micro and a macro level. So at a micro level, does the individual letter form have the appropriate size? Is there contrast in weight? What is the form? What is the texture? And does that letter form match the visual language of the entire body of the typeface? Harmony is important also on a macro level. So when we begin designing complex visual communication pieces, hierarchy uses scale and rhythm and proportion. Texture to lead our eye through complex information. And so harmony is not only important at a macro level, so designing complex typography and communications, it's very important at a micro level, so that every letter form fits within the typeface family.